Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Agtech here. I'm here with another episode on the development of the billing system that we've started ago. Remember the last time what we did was to look to develop the user list form. So let me open it up. Yeah, so this was the form we developed as a sub form, and this is the user form that we did. So what we are going to do today is we are going to create the user add form, and then we look at creating other forms as we move on. So without much ado, I'll close this one, and then I will start developing the user add form. So I'll go to create here and then select form design. Then I will minimize this little. I will right click and save. I'll call it FRM add user. Okay, so that is my form name. I will go to the property sheet and do some formatting. The border style, I'll change it to thin. Then I will make auto center, yes. Then I will move the record selector to no. I will make navigation button to no. Okay, so let me open it. So design view again. We go to others, pop up, we will say yes. Then modal, we will say yes. And then we open it. All right, so this is it. Now I want to do away with this dark bottom. I'll go to design view, go to property sheet format, and then under the scroll bars, I will change to neither. So neither, I don't need any of them. Let me open again. All right, so I have this. I'll go to design view. Let me open it a little bit. Okay, so I have this. All right, so what I'm going to do is I right click again, go to design view, like this, and then I will have a form header. Okay, so I need this one. Then I will pick this. So I'll say add new user form. Okay, so how you title it, it's up to you. Let's do formatting here. I'll change to arc. Then I'll use Sego, my favorite font, UI. Now I'll change the font size to 14, bold a little. Okay, change to 18. Yeah, I think this one will do. I remove the back color, design view, format, fill color white. Yeah, so let's open it up and check. All right, design view again. I will bring it in a little. Yeah, so you go to this side, we select in the line, then I'll you hold shift, then you drag for a straight line. So let's check it out. View. Yeah, okay, so we have this one. Now I'll click here, go to data, then I will select table users. We'll come to design view. So you click on the first one, you hold shift, click this, then you select everything and bring it here. All right, so I have this one. I'm going to select all the titles, Control X, Control V to paste. All right, so I have the titles and the, so this I will delete. Then this one, let me carry it here. Then I will need the full name. The ID is auto, so I don't need to do anything to it. I will have to this. Let's bring it down. Okay. Then I'll have the email. Don't worry with the size. You then I'll have password. Then I'll delete this one, and then so this two is auto filled. So I'll go to design view, change the width to 0, 0. Yeah, so I have it hidden. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'll bring this one here a little, then I'll bring this one down, then I'll stretch this, bring it a little down. Okay, I think this one was okay before. All right, so this is good. Okay, so I'm going to change the font size, the font rather, so I'll change everything to Sego UI, Sego UI. All right, so I'll increase this one to 12. Make it fill it up. Okay, 12 is good. Oh, okay, so I'll select this. Let's do format the rest. And I'll carry it up here. Change this one to dark. And I'll make this one a little gray. So copy, we change to like that. I think it's almost the same. So I'm going to have these three selected: size, tallest, width, I will say widest. All right, so I'll collect this format. Okay, so on the previous one we have a lot of field for the user, but this I just want to give a clue, just a tutorial. We are all learning, so I don't need to go further and further and further. You get this one, then you use it too. Okay, so let me open it up. Okay, okay, fine. So let me I'm going to change the X grid. The grid here is, I think, is too large for me. I'll change it to 48. That will give me a flexible movement that is giving a very okay. So I need it like this so that I can get what I want. Okay, let me do it the same. I will say size to tallest. All right, so I'll bring this one down a little, down a little. Okay, so let me view it, the design view. This should go a little way here. So let me change the line color. I'll go to shape. Then I'm going to use this. It's fine. Let's open it up. Yeah. So I have this one. Okay, so I will need to set the padding for this, the margin. So I'll go for top margin. I will say dot zero. Okay, let's check it out. Yeah, it's fine. It's centered now. Then the left padding to, I will say dot 0.03. Yeah, so this is perfect for me. Like this. Let me check it out. Okay, design view. Now I'm going to add my buttons. So I will collect this, cancel, then I will paste. So it's too large. This will do. Bring this one here, bring that one there. Okay, so I will say save, then I will say cancel. Okay, so I will name this one, go to others. This one will be BTN save. Then I'll call this one BT, sorry, BTN cancel. I prefer to use close, BTN close. Okay, so drag this letter. Okay, so I'll copy this line, copy and bring it down here. Paste. So let's check it out. All right, I think it's good now. Design view again. So select these two, change to Sego UI, and then I will save. So we are going to change the back color of this shape fill. I'll choose green, green. Then here I will select red and red. No, red and red. All right, so I'll change both font color to white. Then change the size to 12. 12 is to say 14, then we bold. All right, so now our two buttons are ready. Let's try and open. Okay, it's fine. So another thing is I don't need this showing here. I can only deal with the icon. I don't need these two. I don't need this. What I'll do is I'll go to format, then I will check this one to none. So let's check. Yeah, so it's gone. Design view, the close button, where is it? I don't need close button. I already have this one to close the form, so let's open it. Yeah, so design view, I don't need the title to. I'll go to format, then here I'll introduce space. So let's view. Yeah, it's gone. So we have it like this. Okay, so guys, our user add user form is ready. So I'm going to save it and close it. Okay, let me close it. All right. Then what I'm going to do is let's deal with the category form. Category form. Okay, so I will copy this one, the user form. I'll copy and then paste, and then I'll call it FR FRM category. Category. Sorry, category. Save. All right. So let's open it. Design view. So I will say list of category. All right. So I'm going to maintain everything here. Then what I'm going to do is, yes, I am going to copy the user list form. Copy, then paste. So what I'm going to do is just remove this and then say category list. Okay, so I will save this one. Then I'll right click on the category list, design view. Okay, so I am going to maintain this one. I will right click here, go to, then I will choose the table category. All right, so you can see that these fields are not in the category table, so it is giving us this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to existing field and then see what we have here. So we have Created on is there. We have the IDs also there. We have full name. We have email. Okay. So what I'm going to do is we don't need this. So let's delete it. Then we will select this one, go to property sheet. We will pick our description. Then I'll copy this one, copy, give it to this. Then select this, go to orders and change the email to description. Fine. Now we will come here, then I'll change the data to category. I will select this, copy, then I'll give it the name, the title, category. Now select it and give it the name, category. So let's paste, sorry, I think I made some. Okay, so copy and paste. Okay, so let's try it. All right, so we have the category form being created, design view. But since we don't have anything in, let's go to the table, add some to also we say cat A. So I will say testing cat A. All right, so this is the date. We close it. Okay, let's view. All right, so we can see that we have it here. So I'm going to close it. Yes. Then I'll go to category, form category design view. Then I will select this form, go to data, select, and I am going to choose form category list. Okay, so you can see we have the list in now. So save, and then I'm going to view. All right, so now our category form list is ready. So instead of add user, I'm going to go to design view and then change this one to add category. Category. I love that category. Okay, so this is it. All right, so it is done. Save. So your category is done. So I'm going to select the add user form. Go to copy. Then I'll paste. Then I'll call this one add category. Sure. Okay. So I'll go to add category design view. I'll go to table source and I will select table category. So I'll change this one to category. I'll collect this, copy, I'll paste it in here, category name. Then I'll change this one, select data, we will use description. I will collect this one, then I will paste it here. Then I will delete this. So now we need to name the text box. So this text box is called description, control V. And this one is called category, copy, category B. Okay. So as you can see, it's very simple. So then I'll say new category. All right. So we are done here. Let's take a look at it. Fantastic. So we have our category here. So let's close it. Yeah, so our category form is done. Let's create another one. So I'm going to do with the products, the product, the product. So what we are going to do is we will copy one of the forms here. I'm going to select user again. So I'll select user, copy, and then I'll paste. Then I will call this FRM product. Okay, so this, and then I will save. Then I will select user list, copy, then I will paste. So I will say FRM product list. Then I will save. Then what I will do is I will right click design view, select this one data, and then I will change the form to products. Okay, so now we need to do adjustments here. So let's go here. See, we have one already. Category ID. We have one, two, three, four, five. Okay, five fields. Six, one, two, three, four. So we need to add one more. So I'm going to reduce this size, shrink it a little. Okay, I'll bring this ones here. I'll reduce this, and you come here, move this one to this side. Now remove this, push it a little. Okay, all right. I'll carry this one, bring it here. Okay, so first we have already have this one. The ID is also there. So I'm going to use this one for product name. I will select product description. I will have the cost price. Okay, since this one is just a billing system, we don't need the cost price. We only need the selling price, or select selling price. Okay, so I will take this one first. Let's check what we have here. Okay, so design view. Okay, so since this is password, the input marks, I'm going to remove that. You don't need password, so I just remove it out. Now what we do is we go to format, change this one to standard, then we change the decimals to two decimals. Okay, so let me carry this one, come a little bit here, so that okay. Then let me stretch this to okay, then let me stretch this to all right. So I'm going to copy the name, so let's have it saved. We have product name, then we have product name, then here we select description, change the name to description, then we change this one to description, then you copy this one, change the name to selling price, we change the title to selling price. All right, now we left with the category, so I'll go in here and then bring in the category ID. So I'm going to delete this one, select this one, then I will change the size to 0, 0, 0, 0. Yes, so it's here. Now let's open it up. Nothing. So design view, I am going to table products, see if I can add some products here. Okay, so let's check the ID we have here. We have one, so in here I'll put one, then product name I'll say product A. Product A is a testing product. Okay, say testing product. The selling price is 500 or 50 is good. I did. So let's save, close this one, save, yes. And let's open this. Sure. Boom. Yes, we have it here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to this side and this. I'll change the align to top right. And then instead of, I'll make it center. Okay, so let's check it out now. Yeah, this is fine. So I'm going to close this one. We are done with it. Then we go to product form FRM product design view. I will select this, go to data form. I will change to product list. Okay, so this one I will say list of products, list of products. All right, and then add products. Okay, so let's save view. All right, so we have this here, which is very nice. I have all the fields here. All right, so I think we have done enough. uh we've made the uh, category tables and add category user. Okay, let's see whether we can do the product, add product. So I'll go to add user, copy. I think it has a lot of fields already. Then I'll paste, I will say FRM add products, add products. Okay, so this is the last form I'm doing. Time's up, save. You go to add product design view, add user. Instead of add user, I say add products. Okay, so I will select this and then select products. All right, so I'm going to select this one, call this paste. So you have data. I'm going to select category. Then this one we're going to have it as um, description, and then we have the selling price. So already we have the ID and then the dates, which I've made the size, and the size everything zero here. So I'm going to bring this one down a little. So this I will copy. Orders I'll change to that. I'll change this one to that product name. Then I'll copy this. I will change this one to that. Then I'll change this one to that. I will come here, copy. I'll change this to that. I'll change this one to that. And let's check the inputs. I will delete this. We don't need it as password. Then I'll come here. I'll change to standard, and then auto is two. So let's check it out. Yeah, so we have it here like this. Now we need to bring in the category for this product. So I'll push this one up a little. Then I'll go in here, bring category. Yeah, so I'm going to cut and paste, bring it here. Then I'll highlight description, format, copy the format, category ID. So this one, come down a little. All right. Now I'm going to change this one to combo box. Okay, so let's open it up a little and then view. Yeah, so you can see we have this one, design view. Okay, so I don't want to show the ID, I want to show the name. So I'll right click, I'll click on that, go to property, go to data. I will click on this one. So data, I will go to this. So let's click on, I need to change this one to source code. So row source, I will select row source, and I'll bring in the category table. I will have the and this. Okay, so save. Yes. Now let's open it. Okay, so I will need to have two. So band column, sorry, band column, you have two. Let me open it. View. Okay, so design view. And let's go to format. Check it whether you find it here. Oh, okay, I have this one. Okay, so column count is two, width is zero. I don't need, sorry. So then I'll have this and one. Let's see what will happen. Okay, I'll have this. All right, so let's check it out now. This one, I will need this one rather. I say, for example, you may have entered a category numeric rather than blah blah blah. Okay, so no problem. So what we do is go to design view. Yes, I will have to format it this type. So format and this. Okay, so let me select all. Height to size to shortest. Okay, so I'll carry this one up a little and bring this one down a little. So let's open it up and check. Okay, so design view. Let me go to data band 0. I don't need that. So one. Let's view it. Check it out. Okay, so we have it like that. Design view. Mm, okay, so what I'm going to do is I don't need to show this. I have to format it my style. So I'm going to form design, go here, pick rectangle, and then I will have to make an adjustment to that. All right. So I think this one is okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this, go to format, shape. I will choose transparent. Field color, I will choose transparent. Okay, so I'm going that way. Put this one in a little. Then I'll select the box. I'll go to this side, format. I will change to flat. All right, guys, this is the last form. I think we have done enough. Okay, so this is it. This is it. This is what I was talking about. So design view. Let me open this one a little. I need to stretch it a little. Yeah, this is nice for me. I like this one. So I'll save. Yes. Yeah, so let's open it back. Boom. Yes, so this is a new product. Okay, so guys, I'm going to end here with the episode 5. When we meet again, we shall be looking at episode 6, where we do other things. Maybe we can start with the VBA coding, start with the forms, and then we proceed from there. Thank you very much, everybody. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. If you've already subscribed, welcome back for watching. Welcome, welcome, welcome again for watching my videos. Please share and subscribe. Stay tuned. I will see you in the next video.